Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know this is different. I usually get in front of the camera when I'm opening my Boxycharm box, but today I just can't. But I do want to open it right now because it just came, but I want to show you guys what's in it. It's still sealed shut right here. So this is April's box, and I want to go ahead and get this open and share with you guys what I got inside of mine. I'm super excited. In case you don't know, Boxycharm, which I'm sure you do, but Boxycharm is a subscription box that is $21 a month. You get like some amazing products, and yeah, it's like the box to have. So this theme, it says peace, love, and boxy. That is super cute. It has all the cactus on it. I like that. And then on the other side, it will tell you what you got, and it'll tell you the prices and everything. I'm trying not to look at that because I kind of like to be surprised, and then I'll go back and look at that after. Okay, let's see what we got this month. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. That sounds super cool. It says loose powder highlighter in Summer Haze. Ooh, let's see what that looks like. And I will tell you guys what it retailed for after I'm done with the video. So this looks like this. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna take that off, but it's in there and it looks like that, and it's a really pretty gold. I love gold, so I'm very excited by this Diamond Glow Powder. And I've never even heard of this company, Artist Couture. Never heard of it, never ever. So I can't wait to give this a try. So this is in the box. Then the next thing I'm pulling out is by Christopher Buckle, and it says Cashmere Slip Longwear Lipstick. And I believe that color says Bordeaux. I love me a lipstick. So I want to get this open and see what this looks like. And oh, that is really pretty. Look at that. That's really nice. I love that packaging. Oh my goodness. So let's see. So far that's a pretty color. Okay, so that's like a dusty kind of rose color. So I like that. It's like a grayish pink in person. It looks different than what I can see on the camera. But this is really pretty. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that. I wonder how much that costs. But like I said, I don't want to look at the thing. Next up, we got this Starlux Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. And I'm not going to open this because it's just an eyeliner. And that is one of my must-haves every day is an eyeliner. So I'm always excited to get one that I've never tried before because eyeliner is like my favorite thing. So that is in here. Next, we have these brushes. I have so many dang on brushes, it's pathetic. This is Luxie Summer Days brush set, and you get 3 of them in there. Really cute. Really nice little pink color, and I love Luxie brushes. I have a pink set right now, so I know that I'm gonna absolutely love these. I'll tell you more about it once I read the little card over here. And then the last thing in my box, which I'm always excited by because they always put some kind of a palette in your box. Oh my goodness, Pure. And this one is the Festival palette, 12-piece pressed pigment palette. I love Pure products. It's really, really pretty. Ooh, look at what it looks like. So let me get this open. Okay, so I just took it out, and what else came in here? Oh, they put in a Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So this also came inside of the box. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to use that, to try that primer out and see if I like it. Let's see what this looks like. So of course this top part is a mirror. And it still has the plastic on it. Let me take this off. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Those are so pretty. Look at that one. This one is like a wine color mixed with gold. Ooh, it has a lot of gold flakes in that one. Oh, I like that. And then this purple, that's my favorite color. So let's see. Okay, that's really pretty. It's not, I mean, I only swiped a little bit, but it's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. But I'm sure once I work with it, it'll be nice because I love Pure, their eyeshadow palettes. So those are the colors that you get, and they do have the names on them. Oh, that is so nice. I like that. Uh-oh. And that's what it looks like. And yeah, so that's the packaging. Okay, so now that we're done looking at all of that, let me tell you guys what everything costs. So the palette retails for $36. 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. So $36 for that one. The 3-piece brush set retails for $28. The next one is the Diamond Glow powder. That was this one retailed for $27. This lipstick, this beautiful lipstick, retailed for $18. It says full impact color. Cashmere Slip is a creamy, richly pigmented lipstick that delivers bold color for up to 8 hours. That's what it says about that. And then the Longwear eye pencil retails for $19. So if you are, and I always say this, if you're looking for a box to try that is reasonably priced and has amazing products in it, you definitely want to go ahead and try Boxycharm because you won't be disappointed. So this is what I got for April. Let me know if you get Boxycharm, if we got the same. I still got that on my hand. Let me know if we got the same products. Yeah, and like I said, I apologize for not being in front of the camera. Just today is just one of those days. But I did want to open this up and look at what I got. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.